There we go. Looks like it's got a little tail on there. Today we got a few drains that are clogged up here. We've used some Drano on this one before. It did clear, started clogging back up, so we're just going to take it off. Use your tools here to manually get stuff out. And just make note of where the hole is on here. We have it on the second notch. See how I've got the clamp here? And I'm just holding in on the clamp. And I'm just pulling it back out like that. Just unscrew this. All right, and we're pulling out some hair with it. So there we go. All right, so that could be clogging that up here. So we'll get that out. And let's see if we got anything down in there. I can't see anything, so it's great news. If you did have something, you could kind of reach down, grab it off with this. Looks like here we're just going to get some of this off. So we got some of that off there. So this flat end will go towards the back when we put it back in. All right. And this just screws back on. And I'll just screw it in. Before I screw it in, I'm going to make sure this lifts the from top here. So it is lifting the top, but we want to make sure is that it's in the hole, not just underneath it. So when we'll pull it up, and when we tug on it, it's not going to come up all the way. So that means it's in the retainer hole. So that means we can go ahead and finish screwing in all the way here. We'll put one end of the clamp on like that. And go ahead and put thread it through the hole. So that's what it'll look like there. You got the clamp on, it's not moving and gonna fall off, basically. And then we'll make sure it works. All right, move this gunk out of the way. Just to make sure the ball lock on it there's no leak in there. No leaking, we're good to go.